It's now level 7 and blinds are 300-600 with a 50 ante. Jack from Taiwan has been making every effort he can to get some more chips to flow his way, but unluckily can't seem to get any action. Raymond Wu, who right before the last break managed to double up and return to a manageable stack of around 15K, just took another big hit and is back down again to around 6K. Holding ace-jack, Ryan Wu made a stand with only ace-high on the flop, but unfortunately ran into pocket aces. His hand failed to improve on the turn or the river, and he was sent packing. His fellow Taiwan countryman Pender Lee also got stacked, holding Jack 10 against aces.